Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gradient text in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you want to add this effect. Select the specific text element you wish to enhance, such as a heading or paragraph. It is important to then assign a unique class to this text, perhaps something like gradient text, which will allow you to apply custom styling. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design process. Now that your text element has a class, let's add the gradient. In the Style panel on the right, scroll down until you find the Background section. Here, you will see an option for Image and Gradient. Click the small plus icon to open the gradient settings. You can then select your preferred gradient type, choosing between a linear gradient for a straight transition or a radial gradient for a circular effect. With your gradient type selected, it's time to customize its appearance. You can add as many color stops as you need, typically 2 or 3, to achieve a vibrant blend. Click on each stop to open the color picker and choose your desired hues. Experiment with different color combinations to match your brand. Additionally, you can easily adjust the gradient's angle from 0 to 360 degrees to control the direction of the color flow. The final, magical step is to clip the gradient to your text. In the Background section, locate the Clipping drop-down menu. From there, select the option Clip Background to Text. This action will automatically make your text transparent, allowing the beautiful gradient to shine through its shape. To maintain design consistency, simply apply this same class to any other text elements where you want to replicate this stunning gradient effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.